Hello, friends. I hope everyone is doing well and also enjoying the market volatility as well. So, as of now, we have discussed everything about the market in the last week analysis video, and also I have shared some of the stocks that I am buying in this market correction. So, ये जो video रहेगा, it will be very different. It is not on the market analysis or not on the stocks that I am buying or not on techno fund analysis. But जो मैंने कल है, I have shared a CPR dashboard on my Twitter profile and on Telegram as well. So this was the dashboard that I have shared, and this CPR indicator is particularly for that I have shared is only for the intraday purpose, and इसको जो है हमें EOD पे चलाना है, यानी कि after 3:30 or 4 p.m. So if you open the link right now, so I have just opened the link. So the dashboard is like this right now, and how to use this I will just show it in this video only, because I have received many queries from the friends that how to use this dashboard and how to use it in the trading. So I will just share a brief about everything in this video. So first thing, here it is mentioned that get real-time data and paid premium subscription, so you don't have to pay anything, because this dashboard that we are using is for EOD purpose, and we don't want real-time data. Real-time data, that means during the market hours, the data will be fed here and you will get the output. But we don't need, and you don't have to pay anything. Even if you are paying, then I am not getting anything. It is a charting platform that is asking for money, so don't blame me. And nothing, no paid subscription or nothing is required. I have shared it on my Twitter profile, and it is completely free, so you can use that as well. So this is how the dashboard looks, and we will just see कि अभी इंट्राडे में इसको कैसे यूज करना है. तो बेसिकली जो कल हमने जो शॉर्टलिस्ट किए थे स्टॉक्स, सो दिस इज द स्टॉक्स दैट वी हैव शॉर्टलिस्टेड, नॉट शॉर्टलिस्टेड बट ये जो हमारे स्टॉक्स थे, तो इसमें अगर हम देखें तो देयर आर फोर थिंग्स: सिंबल, वैल्यू, प्राइस एंड आरएसआई. द प्राइस एंड आरएसआई आर नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, बट जो वैल्यू है दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, यानी कि जो मिडल कॉलम है, इट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. And what this value indicate is, if the value is arranged in ascending order, so जो lower value रहेगा, it means that उसका जो CPR है, it will be narrow, and जो higher values रहेंगे उसका मतलब ये है कि CPR will be wide. So this is the significance of value, and what is narrow CPR and what is wide CPR. So जो narrow CPR रहेगा, so because of the narrow CPR, there is a high probability that that particular day can be a trending day. And if it is a wide CPR, then there is a high probability कि वो जो दिन रहेगा, it will be a consolidation day, यानी कि the stock or the market will be flat. So this is the significance, and just to make sure that जो probability है doesn't mean कि narrow CPR रहेगा तो it is guaranteed कि वो basically trending day रहेगा, या फिर it is, if it is a wide CPR, so it is not a guaranteed, it is only the probability, and उसका probability is higher. And the second thing, जो narrow CPR जब भी बनेगा, so it will be a trending day. It can be a trending day, but the trend can be either one sided, यानी कि सिर्फ ऊपर या फिर सिर्फ नीचे, or else it can be in both the direction, यानी कि पहले ऊपर जाके फिर नीचे, और या फिर नीचे जाके फिर ऊपर. And the move that one can get on this trending day can be decent, and because of this we are targeting the narrow CPR stock only. So यहाँ पे जो भी ऊपर के जो भी top 10 stocks है, we will look at these stocks only. एंड इसके बाद वी विल आल्सो ऐड वन फिल्टर जहाँ पे वॉल्यूम्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट, जैसे कि अभी यहाँ पे नेस्ले इज आल्सो देयर, बट नेस्ले का जो वॉल्यूम से इट इज हार्डली 30 to 50,000 ऑन अ डे. सो इट इज नॉट अ गुड स्टॉक फॉर इंट्राडे, एंड वहाँ पे आपको बिड एंड आस्क में बहुत डिफरेंस दिखेगा, एंड देयर इज अ लाइक you have to pay a cost, or there can be some issue as well. So just target stocks that have volume more than 10 lakhs. So this is one important filter, that you should also make sure that you don't select stocks that are very less traded, like MRF or some other stocks whose that value जिसका वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो अभी लेट्स सी कि ये जो हमने शॉर्टलिस्ट किए थे स्टॉक, लेट्स सी हमारे जो टॉप 3 या 4 स्टॉक्स कैसे परफॉर्म किए, एंड जस्ट टू शो हाउ नैरो CPR, हाउ वाइड CPR वर्क्स. So let's see Nestle का चार्ट ओनली. सो Nestle में नैरो CPR बना है, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी हैव सीन अ वन साइडेड डाउन मूव और अ ट्रेंडिंग मूव. ये वन साइडेड डाउन मूव है. अभी अगर हम टाटा स्टील का चार्ट देखें, यहाँ पे द ट्रेंड वाज ऑन बोथ द साइड्स। सो पहले ऊपर गया एंड देन इसके बाद नीचे आया वो। इफ यू सी अनदर स्टॉक जो कि डीएलएफ या फिर चोलाफिन देख लेते। सो एज यू कैन सी दिस इज अ ट्रेंडिंग मूव एंड यहाँ पे वो वन साइडेड नीचे ही गया स्टॉक। सो ट्रेंडिंग कैन बी ऑन एनी साइड, अप डाउन और ऑन बोथ द साइड। एंड लेट्स सी जो वाइट सीपीआर है यानी कि जो बॉटम के जो स्टॉक्स है, सो लेट्स सी आईईएक्स। सो जैसे कि यहाँ पे भी देख रहे हो कि स्टॉक्स इज जस्ट जो आईएक्स का जो स्टॉक है वो सिर्फ कंसोलिडेट करा था यहाँ पे एंड इट हैड नॉट गिवन अ डिसेंट मूव ऑन एनी साइड। इफ यू सी द सेकंड स्टॉक इंडिगो, सो यू कैन सी कि ये थोड़ा वोलेटाइल स्टॉक है, इट हैड गिवन अ मूव ऑन बोथ द साइड। पहले ये ऊपर के साइड मूव दिया एंड देन इट गिव अ डाउन मूव ऑन डाउन साइड। सो इट डिपेंड्स, मैंने बोला कि इट इज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड इट इज नॉट गारंटेड, सो देयर कैन बी सम एक्सेप्शन एज वेल। Let's see power grid now. So power grid में भी डाउन मूव दिखा था, बट तो वही है, इट इज ओनली द प्रोबेबिलिटी, बट वी डोंट नो कि ये होगा कि नहीं होगा। बट जस्ट टारगेट टॉप 10 स्टॉक्स इन दिस जहाँ पे जिसका सीपीआर वैल्यू इज लो एंड जस्ट मेक श्योर जो वॉल्यूम है इट इज मोर देन 10 lakhs इन दैट केस। नाउ सेकंड थिंग, द सीपीआर, द डैशबोर्ड पर्पस ऑफ शेयरिंग द डैशबोर्ड वो जस्ट टू कि आपको सिर्फ स्टॉक की जो लिस्ट है वो फिल्टर करके मिले एंड नॉट अबाउट हाउ टू ट्रेड, या फिर इसके लिए नहीं है, इट इज जस्ट टू शॉर्ट लिस्ट अ स्टॉक एंड उसके बाद हाउ टू ट्रेड इट यू कैन यूज योर ओन स्ट्रेटेजी जो भी आप इंट्राडे में यूज करते हो, or else I have some predefined strategy that I use and I will share some of them as well. So let's see जो टाटा स्टील का जो चार्ट है, we can see that now. So I've added the VWAP line जो कि आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है and W line is VWAP. इसके बाद ये जो येलो लाइन है it is the CPR. So one more characteristics of CPR is it act as a magnet for a stock and let's say अभी यहाँ पे जैसे कि stock had went down और it raced till CPR and उसके बाद we have seen a good up move. यहाँ पे it broke CPR but again after retesting this it went up again. यहाँ पे it opened near the CPR and उसके बाद वो resistance लेके it went down. So it acted as a magnet and let's say if a stock had opened up and then it can retest the CPR and then again it can move up. So that this can happen. So you can check all these characteristics of CPR and I have already mentioned everything in detail in this thread. So you can access this or you can go through this detailed thread which was shared on 19th November. It talks about the CPR thing in detail, so you can just check this out. Now coming on to the Tata Steel and the trade that one should have, like what strategies I use to after filtering stock using the CPR. So one strategy is common, like open is equal to high or open is equal to low kind of thing. If open is equal to high, then after I can go short in that stock, or if open is equal to low, then I can go long in that stock. It is a common strategy. The second strategy is the opening range breakout. So generally I trade after 9:20 p.m. So I wait for first 5 minutes candle and I only use 5 minutes time frame. So after the first 5 minute candle is formed, I just mark the high and low. If the stock is price is breaking first 5 minute candle high, then I go long and the stop loss will be the same candle low. और अगर स्टॉक 5 मिनट कैंडल के लो के नीचे जाता है देन आई गो शॉर्ट एंड जो हमारा हाई रहेगा वो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा उस केस में। द सेकंड थिंग इज हम लोग उसको ट्रेल करेंगे स्टॉप लॉस को यूजिंग आवर ओन मेथोडोलॉजी। तो यहाँ पे जनरली आई यूज VWAP or else the previous swing high or low in that case if the trend continues and if the trade moves in our favor. So this is another important thing that I use and these are the two things I use. And generally also one more thing, that if a stock closes below CPR then you can go short, or if the stock is retesting the CPR then you can go long. So that's why I would suggest to go through this thread, because everything is mentioned and it is a 24 tweets thread and you can just scroll and you can just use it. And also you can use CPR to find trend as well. So this is about Tata Steel. We can see one more stock, Cholafin. So it was a good trending move. It had broke the low and then we have kept the stop loss at high and then we have seen a good down move as well. So one would have shorted at 564 and जो closing it is around 553, so higher we would have got 11 points or 2% profit in this case. So this is about Cholafin, or या फिर जो stop loss रहता है तो that can be trailed using the previous swing high or else this VWAP line. So this is the narrow CPR in Cholafin. Now let's see the DLF chart, right? The last one. So again, यहाँ पे पहले stock had opened above the CPR, then it had closed above the high, but जो हमारा stop loss था वो hit हो जाता है इस case में. After हमारा stop loss hit होता था, and once it closes below the opening candle low, or if it closes below VWAP, or if it closes below the CPR, तो वहाँ पे short बनता था वहाँ पे, and one would have easily trailed the DLF trade for around 10 points or 3% gain in that case. So if you are a beginner, then I would suggest that just filter, like just select 5 to 10 stocks from this list and track those stocks during intraday. Form a strategy, use trade with small quantities, don't go heavy in first trade, and don't expect that you will earn from the first day itself. Practice it, you will learn, and you can definitely reach out to us on our tweet, or you can just mail us if you have any queries. I would be happy to help all the traders or all my friends in that case. So this is all about the CPR indicator strategies. Just to summarize, the dashboard that is shared is only to shortlist stock. It is not to like find out trades, what can be this or that strategy or anything, but this is just a dashboard to shortlist what the top 10, 20 stocks that you trade in FNO. Yeah, and one more thing, the जो filter हमने लगाया था यहाँ पे जो it is only for futures segment, and इसको you can change it easily. You can change it to cash, you can change it to Nifty 50, 500, Nifty 100. So you can just change all these thing parameters so that you get a precise number, precise stocks as well. And जो हमने dashboard share किया था, it is just to shortlist stock. The most important thing is you have to trade based on your own strategy. You have to form your own strategy. It is only the first layer filtering that is going to happen with this CPR indicator. So just make sure all this and have a proper strategy in place before trading, like proper stop loss or target, so that and you plan your trade properly. So this is all about today's like video on this, how to use the CPR dashboard that was shared yesterday. And if you have any query, then you can definitely reach out to us. And there is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.